Relax, alright?
Mein Gothi,
Yes?
how did one of Thor's goats get lame?
Ooh. So, at one point, Thor and Loki went on a journey to Utgard to confront the giant Utgard Loki and the other giants about winter lasting so long. So on their travels, they stopped at a little farmstead to stay the night. And at this farmstead, it was a real poor farmer. So Thor decided, well, I'll just slay my goats and I'll feed everybody because they were starving. They were travelers, right? And the farmer didn't have anything to offer them. So he slayed his goats and he's like, you can eat the goat, you can eat your fill, but make sure that you place all the bones back on the pelt so I can bring them back to life in the morning. So all the bones were placed back on the pelt, but the young boy was still hungry. So Loki convinced him to break one of the bones and to suck out the marrow and get a little bit more food out of that. And in doing so, he lamed the goat. So in the morning, when Thor bundled up all those bones in the hide and struck it with his hammer, and this goat sprung back to life, one of his goats was lame because he had a broken leg. So Thor was enraged and ready to just murder the whole family. But Loki talked him out of it and took the two children as their servants until the goat was healed. So that is how one of Thor's goats got lamed. Come on, girl. Go ahead.